what you know. All of them tears gon' come and go. Baby, just gotta make up your mind that every little thing's gonna be alright.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a sit down video, which I haven't done in the longest time, but I received a brand new bit of technology today and I thought it would just be a cool, fun video to do. I did this with my new iPhone that I got back in December in like 2020, like 2 years ago now. So I thought I would do it with this because that was quite fun. So today I received the Apple Watch. I've wanted an Apple Watch for the longest time. It's actually unbelievable. So I finally thought I would fork out and treat myself. This is the Apple Watch SE 2022 model, and it is the 44mm one, and it is in the colour Starlight, which I love because I love anything spacey, and I actually really loved the colour. It's the Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen. So I've never had an Apple Watch before. I'm very excited. I've just really wanted one because I go on a lot of theme park trips and I just go out quite a lot just in general. And I'm not like always on my phone. I tend, mainly if I'm vlogging, I tend to keep my phone just at the bottom of my bag, just if I leave my bag somewhere when I'm on a ride, like it's not going to get taken hopefully or anything, because it's not at the top of my bag so people can't see it. And it's just why is the kid crying? So yeah, I always keep my phone in my bag, never really check it that much, and I'm always wondering like what's the time, has anyone like messaged me, which is rare because I don't really speak to many people. But I just love having an Apple Watch. I can see it all on my wrist, like I can see the time, I can see who's messaged me. If I need to call anyone, like in an emergency, I can do it from my wrist. So I decided to get an Apple Watch. I went for the SE version just because I did my research, and for the things I need, this is the best one. So yeah, it's just going to come in handy for when I'm travelling basically. So let's actually get into it. So this is the box. It's just white with the Apple logo, and it just says watch. And it has pretty much all of the information on the back. So we're going to get into this. I don't want to ruin the box too much just in case I need to like send it back or anything. Here's just not working. But that seems fine because I've managed to lift this up. I feel like I keep going out of focus. This is a brand new camera for me. I've not played around with the settings yet, which I really need to do. So just like bear with me for the first few videos while I figure out my new camera. Okay, so I'm going to lift up these flaps. And it shall reveal. Oh, nice packaging. Okay, so we have, is this 2 boxes or is it a lid? No, okay, so it's 2 boxes here. So we have the screen, and then we also have the strap. That is the colour that I got it in. I think it's white and gold colour, or it's white and silver, I can't remember. I think it's white and gold. Which is like my favourite colour combination ever. I love the colour white, love the colour gold, so I thought this one would be perfect for me. And this is what the inside of the Apple Watch like box looks like, which I really like. It's quite pretty. Okay, so I think we should open the strap first. That'll probably make sense. There's not really much information on the back. It just says that it's a stainless steel sports band, and that's pretty much it, apart from it being in different languages. So how do we open this without wrecking it, because it doesn't look as simple as the other box did. Oh, okay, there's a little peel thing here, so we're gonna peel that off, and it hasn't done anything. So I've managed to figure it out, and you just flip that bit open. I didn't like pull off the tab properly, I don't think. So this will be the strap. Again, very nice packaging, nice and slick and secure. If we lift up this, there is some information here, and here is the strap. I got really confused then. I didn't know if it was like a photo or the actual strap. But it's the strap, so it's fine. Oh, it comes in like 2 different sizes. That's really cool. I didn't even like realise that. So you've got small to medium in this bottom one here. I can't see. This one is small to medium, which is the one I'll probably go for. And you've got medium to large for people who have bigger wrists. Love that. Okay, let's take out the small to medium one. I don't know, I'm confused. That looks really small. Okay, maybe I'm gonna have to go for the medium to large one. I feel like this one maybe for like, I don't know, like kids or something. I don't know, but that is tiny. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so this has come as 2 separate like bands, and I assume the screen goes in between here, and you kind of just like clip it together. And then this is the strap. It's a very nice colour. I like it. I like it a lot. So I'm gonna pop those down there. And we're going to open, oh my god, so much rubbish everywhere, open the screen box. Okay, so I've just switched on my big light because I feel like it was getting quite dark in here, so that's why the lighting may have changed, but it's the same thing here. You just peel off the tab. I actually did it properly this time, that helps a lot, and then you go back to struggling because it hasn't worked. It's just one of those things. It's like, is there a tab on? Ah, there's a tab on this side. I need to actually look at what I'm doing on these things. Okay, so it's like a lid, so you kind of just take it off. And in here, oh my god, I'm so excited about this. I've wanted an Apple Watch for years. We have the screen. I'm not going to drop it this time like I did with my iPhone. And then some information here. Or, this will be the charger, won't it? This has to be the charger. So let's take out the screen. How exciting is this? So that is what the screen looks like with the protective thing on it. So we'll take that off. Guys, you don't understand how excited I am. Like, I've wanted an Apple Watch for so many years, and I don't know why I've waited this long to get one, to be honest. Here we go. So this is the screen. Oh, you can literally see me. Hello. This focus on this camera is quite bad, I won't lie. I do love this camera, but the focus isn't great, especially when it keeps reflecting. There you go, you can see it. And this is the colour. It's very pretty. I think I did get the silver one actually. I don't think I went. Is it gold or silver? Honestly, I can't really tell because the lighting in my room is quite bad. But that is the back of what it looks like. And we have some buttons on the side. I have no idea what they do or anything. It's not focusing, it's really annoying, but you get the idea. So this is the screen. I feel like that's not like too big and it's not too small either. I feel like for me, I'm a very small person, so it's quite a nice size for me actually. And I didn't want to, I was going to get like the Series 7 or Series 8, but I feel like the screen just would have been a bit too big for me, so that's why I went for the SE because it's kind of like a perfect size. And then we have the charger here. Oh, that's weird. I don't know how Apple Watch chargers work, like whether they can just plug into a plug or is it USB? No idea. Okay, strange. So this is the end wire. Not sure what I'm going to plug this into. My MacBook maybe? I could probably plug it into my MacBook. And I'm guessing you just like rest it on here. I'm not sure. It's the weirdest charger I've ever seen. But this is the charger for it. I don't know why I'm rambling on so much about a fucking Apple Watch charger. Okay, so let's read the instructions, otherwise I will fuck this up. So, oh my god, I understand. So this is like the normal thing. Everyone can have this. I think this is like the thing that attaches onto here. This is the small to medium one that I got out earlier. Attaches like that and it can go around my wrist. And this is the bigger one. Got there in the end. Anyway, yep, are we in? No, yes. Oh, yep, there we go, got it. Boom, look at that. Beautiful. So that just slides in super easy. I'm going to try the small to medium one, and if not, I'll just use the bigger one. I'm assuming this is literally the same. You just get it at the bottom, and takes a bit of, oh no, that didn't work. Yeah, there we go. So I've managed to attach it, and this is what I've managed to create with my straps. Okay, so actually I'm going to make sure this actually fits onto my wrist. Oh my god, no, that's fine. That is absolutely perfect. Let's switch this bad boy on. How do I switch it on? I have no idea. Put on your Apple Watch, press and hold the side button to turn it on. Okay, so it's this little button. You won't see, so it won't focus. But it's this little button here. Give it a little press. Oh, we have action. So it comes up with the Apple Watch. Apple logo, I mean. Oh, yeah, so it's come up with connects my Apple Watch. God, this focus is so bad. I need to sort this out. Allow notifications. I need to set it up on my phone. So let me just do this for a second. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. That's so pretty. Oh my god. Okay. I don't know why I've decided to do this as an unboxing, because I have no idea about Apple Watches. I just know that I really wanted one. And I have one, I just wanted to capture this moment, you know? So, Apple Watch passcode. Oh, we need a passcode for it. It's going to be the same. Oh, no, wrong button. Oh, this is weird, using such a tiny screen. The same passcode that I use for pretty much everything. I feel like I'm going to wear this on like a roller coaster, and it's going to think that I've been in a crash, and then I'm going to be at like Alton Towers, and like an ambulance is just going to turn up, and we don't need one. Apple Pay, oh my god, that's so handy. With Apple Pay I can literally just be like beep with my wrist, maybe. It's quite cool. Now it says app view. I can have it as like pictures, or I can have it as a list. I'm going to have it as a grid. I quite like having the pictures, so we're going to go for that. Oh, it just vibrated on my leg. That felt weird. Welcome to my Apple Watch, and here we are. It is all set up and ready to go, I believe. So when I enter my passcode, oh my god, it like vibrates like it does on a phone. That's so sick. It has a notification sound as well. That's so cool. So this is like my home. Wow, it's just gone off. This is my home screen. Oh my god, it keeps going off. Why does it keep going off? Oh, there we go. That is the home screen. Got there in the end. So, oh my god, I get like Instagram messages and stuff. I did not know that was a thing. I just thought you could literally get like text messages and phone calls. Didn't realise you could actually get internet with it. Wow, that's so sick.
It's mad.
It's mad, isn't it? It's crazy.
It's mad, it's insane.
I know, Joshua.
That's so sarcastic.
I know, yeah. But yeah, I need to have a play with this.
Oh.
Figure it out.
Oh.
See what I can do with it. Have a bit of a play.
Oh.
I need to figure out like how do I get like all my apps and stuff. I can get a timer, I can get heart rate, workout, music. Oh my god, that's going to be so sick. If I can listen to music on my Apple Watch, that will be something else, honestly. Absolute game changer. Why have I not got an Apple Watch sooner?
Exquisite.
It's truly exquisite, Joshua. I love that. It comes up with my I'm Crying playlist. Okay, so I figured out how to get the volume up, and the speaker actually sounds really clear, which I wasn't expecting. So I can get music, workout, messages, you can get maps. That's going to be really handy, having maps. Oh look, there we go. I managed to get it on the home screen, and I can get all of my apps on it. That's so sick. Message Josh, my chav. Oh my god, I have to literally draw out the messages unless I can figure out. Oh my god, you get emojis. That's so cute. Love that. Yeah, so there isn't a keyboard, which is a bit weird, but it's quite easy to just type something. Done. Send. We got a text message.
Yeah.
Yay, it worked! There we go. So So I've got it on my wrist. Oh my god, I feel like it makes my hand look really big, but I love it. I'm glad I didn't get like the Series 7 or Series 8 because that would have been absolutely massive for my tiny wrist, and this is like the perfect size. And I love how everything is now like on my wrists. Like, that's so sick. So yeah, this is my Apple Watch. I feel like it wasn't the best unboxing ever, but I don't really know much about Apple Watches. When I'm like unboxing a phone or something, it's a bit easier because I, you know a bit about phones and like laptops and stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video nonetheless. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you carry on watching my vlogs from now on, I'll give you an update on my watch, because this is basically going to be used on like every theme park trip. We have a lot of theme park trips coming up, and I mean like a lot. So please stay tuned to my channel. If you don't want to miss anything, hit that subscribe button because we have loads coming up, hence why I wanted to get an Apple Watch. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time for a brand new video. Bye.
You just scared the shit out of me.
Sorry.
Fucking daydreaming. Just didn't say it because you're filming with your paws, I can tell you now.
Should just be able to like lift it off like that.
Oh shit, sorry. cut that home. I fucking heard that.
No, you didn't. Very sexy indeed, Joshua. Look at that, very fancy. I love that.
Please never say that again.
So what?
Please never say that again.
Say what?
What you just said. That was cringy as fuck.
We're gonna be alright, 'cause ain't nobody like me.